Hi, your assessment for technology this term is going to be to create an eBook. An eBook is an electronic version of a book. So the book can be read off of a computer screen, a laptop, or an eBook reader. Often you'll find that your eBooks can be read on iPhones or iPads, computers, all sorts of technology, okay, and ICT. So you're going to be creating an eBook for the grades 1 and 2. Your eBook is going to include 10 spelling words from the year 1 and 2 lists. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through those 10 words with you that are from the spelling list for the year 1 and 2s, and I'm going to explain to you their sounds and how to pronunciate them and what they mean. So that should help you a little bit with your understanding. Okay, have fun writing your story. Saying and writing words correctly is really important because it helps to stop people from misunderstanding each other. So this video is to show you each of the grade 1 and 2 spelling words that will need to be included in your eBook story. The first word is oat. An oat is a type of food that we grow on farms in Australia. Often animals eat oats, or our breakfast porridge has oats in it. In the word oat, we can hear two sounds, oat. The first sound is O, which is made from two letters, O and A, joined together. The second sound is T, which is a T. When you make the sound T, you do not have to use your voice. That means when you press on your neck very gently just here, you will not be able to feel a vibration when you say T. Try this with me now. T. Now try joining the two sounds together, O, oat, oat. Good job. The second word that I want to talk to you about today is the word cold. Now, cold means when something is very, very chilly, when it's snowing and you start to shiver. Cold has a few different sounds in it. It has a k, o, d. Old. Now the k sound is made by a C. That is the noise that it makes. The k is actually not voiced, so you should not be able to feel your vibration when you say the k sound. Ol is made up of O and L, and then the d. You should be able to feel a vibration on your neck when you say d. The third word that we're going to learn today, that we're going to put in our eBook story, is fruit. The word fruit is broken up into some different phonograms, so some different sounds. So we have fr, u, t, fr, u, t. The fr is made up of an F and an R. The F sounds like f, and the R sounds like r. And when we join them together, it sounds like fr. Okay, so we want to try that with me. Fr. The second part is oo, which is a U and an I together. So oo. The last part is the T, which sounds like t. And once again, the T does not have a voice with it, so you should not feel any vibration. So let's try that. T. Let's add those three together. Fr, oo, t. Fr, oo, t. So fruit is actually a type of food that we eat. It's a very healthy food, so it's very good for us. It comes from the ground typically or off a tree. And it's things like apples, bananas, strawberries, rock melon. There's lots and lots of fruits out there. Hi, so the next word is told. So we're going to use told in our eBooks, and the way we could use that is by saying that someone told another person that something happened or that something was going to happen. So told is made up of some different phonogram sounds, which is old, old. So that is the t is the T. Once again, remember that it doesn't vibrate. The ol, which is made up of an O and an L, and the D, which does have a vibration on your neck. D, which is the D. Okay, so t, ol, d. And told means that you're telling somebody something. The next word we need to use is boat. And boat is made up of lots of different sounds as well, just like the other words, and that is b, o, t. The b is the B, and b, you can feel the voice, it does vibrate. The O, which is the O and the A joined together, and the T without the vibration, which is the T. Okay, so B, B, O, O and A, and T for T. The next word we need to learn about today is suit. Now, suit is something that someone wears. Generally, a man will wear a suit. Sometimes women wear them too, but typically it's a pair of long pants and a long sleeve jacket. Sometimes women wear suits, and sometimes they have skirts in their suits. So suit, the word suit, is actually made up of a s, u, t. Now the s is actually the letter S. Letter S can make two sounds. It can make a s and a z. Now the s does not have a voice in it, so you should not feel a vibration. But with the other sound that S makes a z, and there is a voice in it. But in suit, we don't use the voiced one. Okay, so S, U, which is the U and the I, and then we make the T sound, which is once again without the vibration in your throat. So the T is a T. So S, U, T, S, U, T, suit. The next word is bolt. Now, bolt is one of these, or here's several of them. If you can see these. These are bolts. So what bolts do is they join cars together or metal together typically. Sometimes they join furniture together, and they're very, very useful, and you use them with tools a lot and things like that. So bolt is made up of the sounds b, o, t. So that's a B for b, b. And when we say b, we should be able to feel that vibration in our throats. B. And then o, and then t. Okay? So b for B, o is O and L, and t is the T. T with no vibration. The word grow is also going to be used in your ebook story. Grow is a word that explains when something gets bigger. So when you grow, when people grow, we get older. Grow is made up of a G, row, okay? So G, you should be able to go G, and that makes a vibration in your neck with the G sound. And then the row is made up of R-O-W, okay? So G, row, grow. I will grow bigger. The next word is hold, and hold means that you are holding onto something. So in my hand, I am holding my phone. Can you see that? Holding my phone. Right now, I am holding a crayon. Okay? Hold is made up of a hold, hold. So that first letter that makes the sound is a H, and the H doesn't have a voice, so there should be no vibration. So O is O and L, and D, which is a D. The D is a The D is a D, which also has a vibration. D. So, old, old. The final word for your story that you need to use is blue. Okay, so blue is actually a color. There's lots of colors. So here is a blue crayon and a blue pillow. If you can see the color of that, that's blue. So blue is made up of B, U, U, B, U, U. So blue is actually made up of a B, which is the B, and that should be voiced. You should be able to feel your throat vibrate. B, and then U, which is your L, and then U, which is the U and the E joined together. B, U, U, blue. So there you go. Have fun writing your story.